Hello everyone! Welcome to another vlog. Ganun na lang lagi. Wait, try ko nga another one. Welcome! So today, for this video guys, it's just going to be a quick video, I think. Ito muna, I have updates on my Pandora travel bracelet. If you haven't watched my Disney Hong Kong miniseries, please do watch it there. Pero may nabili kasi ako from Pandora to update my travel bracelet. But also, this video is mainly a video on the mga, kasi there's this upcoming concert ni Zara Larsson. So, medyo napadami yung bili ko ng, I would say, costume bracelets. Hindi custom bracelets. Costume jewelry. Not custom. Costume jewelry. Ibig sabihin, it's just gagamitin ko lang for that certain occasion. And then, I'm going to, of course, kasi medyo hindi naman siya pang araw-araw na jewelry. So, I might end up putting it in a mystery jar and just, selling it online after I'm done with it. So, we're gonna start. We're gonna start first, of course, para lang we can get it out of the way. This is not part of the Zara Larsson concert things that I'm gonna wear. But I just want to include in this video that there's a Pandora update. I bought this. This is a Disney times Pandora thing that is exclusive in Hong Kong. Syempre dahil travel bracelet siya, I want it to be exclusive in the country that I visited. So, since if you remember, I only started one kahit na medyo madami na. I only started having a travel bracelet sa Korea. So there's only one that I have. So even though this is my second time, third time, or actually sobrang daming times na pala going to Hong Kong, this is my first time adding the Hong Kong exclusive Disney charm sa bracelet. Ayan, ang ganda niya. This is may castle ata siya. And then sa likod, I'm not sure what's sa likod. Mga stars lang sa likod ang nakalagay Disney. Pero ayan siya. So let's add this now to the bracelet. Let's add it. Let's add it. Ikembot mo to, naku, baka mo. Ayan. So I'm adding it here sa bracelet ko. I think you have to turn it. Yeah, it has to be turned para na makapasok siya. Kasi may lock din to eh. May lock din siya. So you have to turn it. And, ayan, I'm turning it. Ayan na! It's here! So, ito na siya, guys. So, I have two travel charms, which is so cute. Wala kasing Disney sa Korea, so basta Korea lang, pero ito. Ayun, so we're done with the Pandora part. Yun lang yung Pandora update. Now, let's go on to the jewelry, the cheap jewelry I bought for the Zara Larsson concert. Now, as you know, just to give you a background, Zara Larsson is coming to Manila on October 31 ata yung, if I'm not mistaken, yung October 31 yung concert niya, Midnight Sun concert. And me and my best friend are super fans. I treated her in a concert, to the concert, this coming October, and we're gonna go there. So I bought some jewelry for us na gagamitin ko lang for that event. I'm not gonna be using it all the time, so it's just cheap jewelry that can be disposed after. But some of them are really, really nice, and I'm going to show you this haul because they're really nice. If you're interested, I'm gonna put the links of the stores below if you're interested. Kasi yung iba is really nice. Some even looks like Pandora. So, since we started with the bracelets, the Pandora bracelet, I'm gonna start also with bracelets that I bought for the concert. So, we'll start with this one. This is a fake, I don't know what brand this is, but this is, I wouldn't say fake, sorry. This is just the inspired bracelet. Wala naman siyang brand eh, so I just like it because it's like a clover. So it comes with the theme na flowers na Midnight Sun. for Zara Larsson. Let's start with this new brand. It's a TikTok brand. It's a TikTok shop brand. And sobrang bait nung nagsasell. She's just starting. So, I'm gonna put her shop below if you're also interested. Kasi ang gaganda ng item, guys. Although, not to mention, madami naman talagang stores na gumagawa na to. It's crafted jewelry. So, this is one of the three that, okay, I'll just show it one by one. Ano kaya? Ang gulo na nitong vlog na to. This is the first one. Ang ganda. Do you see it? Ang ganda. It's a flower bracelet. Ang ganda niya, guys. Although, glass kasi yung iba and some are, I'm not sure kung ano nga yung sabi ni ate kung anong beads yun. Pero, kung hindi lang ganito yung tali, papasa na siyang parang, alam mo yun? Ang ganda niya talaga, guys. Hindi ko nga alam kung i-dispose ko to after or if I can use it or if we can use it somewhere else. So this one is one. And then I also have ano ba? Ayan. Na-focus na. Ayan, focus na ba? Ayan. So I also have another color. Ito naman. Custom yung ginagawa ni ate. Focus ko lang. Custom yung ginagawa ni ate, guys. So, if you're also interested in this type of jewelry, you can go to the TikTok shop below and then you'll see magaganda yung gawa niya. And hindi pare-parehas. Ang explanation niya is because nai-inspire siya to do stuff. And then, so parang hindi siya, alam mo yun, each item is handmade sa, kunwari ko, anong trip lang niya. Yung, alam mo yun, so it's really nice to know that you own one that's not, not the same with others. So I also bought the third one. I haven't opened it yet. This is for my bestie. Wow. She's yellow. Wala kasi sunflower, but this is the closest I saw with, like a yellow thing. So this one I'm gonna give it to her to wear. Yun. So those are the bracelets. And yung pinadami ko is rings kasi mas nahilig ako sa rings. So before we start with the cheap rings that I bought, or affordable, sorry for saying cheap, affordable rings that I bought, I also want to flex this one first because this is I'm building the ayan. I built kung ano yung mga binili kong affordable jewelry. I focused on building it off of this. This is an original Swarovski na binili ko sa Korea. If you haven't seen my focus ba? Yeah, if you haven't seen my Korea vlog, I bought this in Korea in a really low discount. If you're interested, mas mura siya sa Korea, guys. Pero ayun, going back, I built off of this as an inspiration. So, makikita nyo mga puro gato yung binili ko. Kasi nga, Midnight Sun. Para siyang si Zara Larsson kasi parang fairy. Ganon. Norwegian fairy. Ano ba siya? Swedish? Basta ganon. Her country and then fairy. I bought some butterfly rings. And also flower rings. And also anything na yung color will also be related. So, we'll start with the rings that I bought for my bestie. Hindi kasi siya mahilig sa mga kung anong anak-anak, guys. So, I just bought two for her, plus the bracelet. And I'll show it to you now. It's this one. I forgot I know the brand. I know the TikTok shop that's sold this. So, I'm also gonna put it down below. Even though technically, meron siyang binenta sa akin na hindi ko nagustuhan. Pero overall, 90% of the rings, I like it. So, this one will be for my bestie. Kasi nga sunflower siya, so I bought a sunflower. Although, hindi to sunflower eh. Parang daisy. It's a fidget ring. Ayan o, umiikot siya. Kita niyo ba? Umiikot. Ay, hindi niyo pa nakita. Ayan, umiikot. So, yeah. young Daisy ring is for her, and also this butterfly. This butterfly, do you see it? And cute. It's like a peachy butterfly. Ang cute. Kung hindi na to sobrang affordable, guys, pwede na siyang pumasa as Pandora. So, sobrang ganda ng gawa. Non-tarnish siya. Though, hindi naman to sponsored, guys. I just really like, you know, the items. So, if you like them, look at the shop below. Now, this is from another shop, but I really like the Tanzanite. This is not real gold, by the way, kasi again, these are affordable. Affordable jewelry, of course, you wouldn't expect na gold sila. Or maybe even silver. So, anyway, this one is copper, pero it has gold-plated. And that's a Tanzanite bato dyan sa gitna. Ang ganda! Tingnan nyo, ang ganda! Kita ba? Ang ganda, guys, oh. Ayan. So, this is a Tanzanite ring. I'm having a hard time looking for gold talaga with Peridot. So, I just bought this, even though it's copper and gold. Ito, baka hindi ko to ilagay sa mystery box and give one of my subscribers. No, sorry. I don't want to promise I'm gonna give to my subscribers. I'm not even sure how to do that yet. So, I don't know talaga. Since my bestie has a butterfly, I also bought myself a butterfly. Pero I am the dark butterfly. Or the green butterfly. Ganda. Kita niyo ba? Kita ba? Parang malinaw naman. And then, another one. This is another piece. Look at it. Look at it. This is not gold, but this is not also copper. I think I bought this from a store na ang benta nila is, may tawag sila sa metal na to eh, surgical metal. So, pwede din siyang mabasa. I also have another ring. These ones are more of mystical rings kasi, yun nga, Midnight Fan, parang magical lang experience, so it doesn't have to be all fairy and everything. So I bought this dragon ring. I think this is called hematite. I think it's a dragon. This one I might keep after the it's a dragon with the green colored stone eyes. I'm not sure if that's zirconia. Ang ganda nito. And also, I have this snake ring. Now, I have two snake rings actually. Para mabilis na lang itong video, I'll show you. So, I have two snake rings. This one, which is really nice. Kita ba? Ayan, kita. Ayan. And then also, I also have this other snake ring. Now, it's a really nice snake ring. Ito talaga everyday ko sinusuot kahit sobrang mura lang. Sinasabay ko siya sa mga gold ko kasi ang ganda. Ayan, kita nyo na ba? Ang ganda. Ang ganda niya pag suot. Enamel ring lang to and it's not real gold. And the stones are not real. Pero ang ganda niya kasi, parang yung suot ni Ugly Betty dun sa ano niya, sa series nung episode na kinasal si Hilda, pero bracelet yung sa kanya. Ito kasi yan, ring version. I think I have more but I don't know where I put them. Ayan, ito pa isa. This one naman is not related to the concert, but I just bought it and included it sa haul kasi it's part of the collection that I bought. It's a black stone silver ring. Hindi kasi ako mahilig sa silver, but anyway. So, yun na. Sobrang excited na ako talaga for the Zara Larsson concert. And I'm also excited. My best friend's gonna buy the rhinestones para idikit lang din sa balat sa mga mukha namin and stuff. And it's really nice. I think I'm super duper excited. In my specific items, again, I'm not sure yet. I'll be posting na lang siguro if I'm really going to give it to one of my subscribers. Or, again, hindi pa nga sure kasi hindi ako marunong. I don't know the logistics or anything. We'll see. But anyway, if you're interested in the shops, I'll link all of the shops that I bought them from down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this, short vlog of me just flexing some things that we're gonna wear in Zara Larsson concert, and also a Pandora update. If you did like this video, again, please do comment down below. Also, if you have some suggestions on how I can dispose this after the concert, again, that's October 31. So, madami pa akong oras how I can dispose of it. I might end up just having, all of this jewelry that I wouldn't wear again. Comment down below with your favorite pieces. Also, please like, share, and subscribe. And also, I hope you have a great day. As always, have a great day, have a great life, have a great evening kung nasa other place kayo. Have a great week, have a great weekend kung weekend pa sa inyo. Have a great year, have a great parents, have a great friends, have a great have a great everything, have a great things. Bye!